What's good, meathead? Coach MANdler here. Got a quick and killer total body kettlebell routine for you to try today that will do it all. Burn fat, increase strength, improve power, build endurance, and dramatically increase your muscularity. Everything you need to be able to look and perform like a badass. Not only will it do all of this, but it'll do it without you having to spend an eternity inside the gym. So if you're looking for a quick 10-minute conditioning routine, or you're a fan of total body workouts, this is a heavy hitter that covers it all and will not disappoint. So check it out, try it out, and be sure you leave your questions or comments that you have in response to this down in the comment section below. Hey man, thank you so much for checking out today's high intensity kettlebell routine. If you enjoyed it and want me to keep posting these same kettlebell routines like this in future videos, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel so you never miss out on any future tips and routines that I'll be hooking you up with here daily. And again, if there's anything else that you want me to address in any upcoming video, please let me know what you're thinking by leaving that question or suggestion down in the comment section below. Remember, I'm here to help clear your path for better and faster results with the time and effort that you're willing to invest inside every one of your workouts. And in order for me to best follow through with that responsibility, it takes communication between us. So please, let me know what I can be of service with, and I promise you, I'll come through in a future video. Appreciate your time, guys. Have a good one. MANdler out.